Good morning, all the students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Now we are going to discuss about the concept of chemical equations and reactions. In that one, there is the first lesson is completed already. Now we are going to discuss about our second component, that is only chemical reactions, types of chemical reactions. Yes, there is a different types of chemical reactions are there. You know very well what is a chemical reaction. There is a reactants are reacted with one another. They formed as a new substance. It is only called a what? A chemical reaction. Got it or not? What is a chemical reaction here? The chemical reactions are nothing but when we are taken a one substance or otherwise any other elements, they undergo the chemical changes and they release energy. They form the new product. And these all the things are called as what actually these all the things are called as a chemical reaction. Yes, yes, there is the first thing it is, and when it is called a chemical reaction, there is a fundamental things for chemical reactions is the what actually. Okay, clear or not all students? The compulsory more than one substances or energy changes are should involve. Okay, clear or not? There is sometimes one reactant is only there, but reactant is not in the form of a chemical substance. It is in the form of either maybe light energy, or maybe in the form of a heat energy, or maybe in the form of any other catalyst mode. It will be there. But whatever may be, there is a compulsory new substances should form, and as well as there is a energy changes should be compulsory occurs. Yes, and these all things are going on at that time only. It is called a chemical reaction. First, you have to know chemical reaction what it is. Chemical reaction is nothing but there is our chemical substances or elements are undergo the chemical change and they form the new substances, and there is should be some energy changes are occur. Energy changes are nothing but there is so many types of energies are there. Intermolecular energies and as well as the intermolecular attraction forces are even somewhat energy, and the kinetic energies of the substance particles, and as well as there is different types of changes are may compulsory how to yes go here, and as well as the new substance should be formed. New substance should be formed. Okay, clear or not? New substance should be formed here. Yes, that is only called a what? That is only called a chemical reaction. Understood or not, all the students? There must be one or more substance or take it apart in a chemical. Yes, must be there is a one one or more substances are should be involved in a way in a chemical reactant side. Okay, and as well as a compulsory new substances are formed here. Suppose I am taken this is the general form of chemical reaction. Okay, what we are taken here chemical form of the reaction. A plus X gives rise to what? AX. This is the one of the chemical reaction we are taken. These are called what? These are called reactants. These are called what? Reactants. This is given as a product. You know very. In this process, particularly in this process, there is a this side we contain more than one new substance is involved. Okay, now sometimes may only one substance may involved here. Okay, clear or not? And here there is a new substance is formed. What is the formed? New substance is formed. Sometimes there is the energy may produces or energy may absorb from it. Okay, clear? Already we are discussed. There is when you take here our photosynthesis reaction. Okay, now in the photosynthesis reaction, there is whatever our what chlorophyll is there. That chlorophyll in the presence of carbon dioxide and as well as the sunlight, it produces the what? It produces the glucose or fructose like the things. Okay, now clear or not? Some starch is produced, the glucose or fructose is all the produces. In that one, there is a what? New substances are formed as a what actually glucose or fructose like the things. These sugars are formed, and as well as there is a what is there? Sunlight presence is also there. Okay, clear or not? These all things are nothing but energy or exchanges are not. Light energy is exchanges. Okay, clear or not? Otherwise, whatever the respiration process, yes, whatever the carbon we are eating in the presence of oxygen that burn in our stomach, the carbon dioxide is produced from one nozzle of our nose. Okay, clear or not? Yes, in this process, heat is produced. Means what here? Heat is energy. Yes, the energy is what releases here. Got it or not? The energy releases or energy may absorbs. Okay, now that will be also occur in a chemical reaction. Which one is called a chemical reaction here? The chemical reaction must and should contain one reactant or one or more reactants or products also here. Products are also negative and reactants are also should be there. And energy changes should occur here. Okay, clear or not? At that time only it is called a chemical reaction. That should be chemical change. You know very well. Chemical change is a permanent change. Again, there is a new substances, whatever formed, that will be exactly whatever the initial position substances are there, it not produces. You know very well. The milk is a convert into curd. It is a chemical change. Again, the curd is a reverse process. When we are taken, it is we divided that is into small pieces or anything you made, milk is may not get. That type of the things are called chemical changes. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is a word compulsory one or more substances or elements are involved as a reactants, and there is somewhat a chemical change should be going on, and as well as the energy are exchanges from one substance to the another substance, and the new substances are formed. At that time only it is called what? Chemical reaction. Got it or not? At that time only it is called a chemical reaction. Understood or not? Now go through the page number. Okay, all the students, page number, that is the chemistry part. Okay, chemistry book, page number 12. Okay, you go through the page number 12 here. Okay, and there is a what we have taken here. There is a different types are there. Okay, and in this one, there is our chemical reactions every time not going in the same manner. Every time there is a new products are formed and as well as the new substances are involved. This will be not a same process. Okay, now different natures are may consider for a different chemical reactions. Okay, now what is the types of chemical reactions? Okay, how many types there is a possibility is there? That is only now we are going to discuss. Okay, clear. And now there is a chemical composition or a chemical combination. The first change is about chemical combination. Chemical combination. Okay, it is also called a chemical composition. There is a two or more elements or compounds react chemically to form a new compound. Then the chemical reaction takes place. It is called as what actually? As chemical combination. Understood or not all the students? There is a two substances or two elements or two chemicals are involved with one another, undergo the chemical change, it formed as a one new substance, that is called a chemical combination. Okay, now then the general form of it is A plus X gives rise to what? AX. Understood all of you? Yes, this is the general form of chemical combination. All the students understood or not? This is the general form of a chemical combination of a chemical reaction. Okay, one is combined with another one, new one is formed as a combination. Only one formed here. That is called what? A chemical combinations. Got it or not? There is example we have to take here. There is a H2 is combined with the Cl2. It's formed as a what? HCl. Okay, clear or not all the students? H2 formed as a HCl. Okay. And here, what we are formed here, 2HCl is a formed. Already in the previous classes we have discussed it. Why we written 2 here? That is called the chemical balancing. Okay, now whatever the number of hydrogens are there, whatever number of chlorines are there, there should be what here? That much of same after the chemical reaction. How many reactants are there? That much of should be product side. Got it? And here H2 plus Cl2, the formula is what? HCl. This is the X, A, and this is the X. It will be AX. This type of reactions are called what? This type of reactions are chemical combination. In your examination, they must which is the following is the chemical combination. Which chemical reaction following is the chemical combination? Got it or not? This is only about our chemical combination reaction. Understood or not? Understood or not? Yes, this is about a chemical combination. Yes. And next, one more is also you have to take one example. Okay, now what is the given? Carbon monoxide. These names are you have to know, should compulsory all the students. Okay, when I am announced and when I am pronounced here, please write down if possible. Okay, now this is the new for you. There is no chemistry in our regular syllabus. Yes, but in the form of a acids and bases. Okay, some particular lessons are only there. More of the lessons are not available in your then regular syllabus. In our IIT syllabus, there is a pure chemistry is only there for you. In your 6th class only, how to know what is this carbon? It is a what? Oxygen. They combine together. Sometimes it looks like a carbon dioxide. Sometimes it looks like a carbon monoxide. There is a different combinations are contain a different names. You have to know it is a carbon monoxide. It is a combined with the what? Oxygen. It is also formed as a carbon dioxide. Clear or not? Yes. The carbon monoxide is a combined with the carbon dioxide. It is a form of oxygen. It will be formed as a carbon dioxide. It is a which type of reaction? Combination reaction. It is a chemical combination. Understood all of you? It is a chemical combination. I hope you got it. It is. Yes. It is a chemical combination. What you understood from this one? One or more substances. At last, two substances are, one is reacted with another one, formed as a one new substance. It is a called what? Chemical combination. Okay. General form is important and some examples are also important. Understood or not? It is called a chemical combination. This is the first type of a chemical reaction. Understood or not? Yeah, I want to write here at last one. It is a type of a reaction. It is a type of reaction. Okay. If it is not appear when I am announced, please write it. Yes. Type of reaction. Type of reaction. Chemical combination. Okay. General form. Very, very important here. General form. What is the general form? A plus X is gives rise AX. Please write it. Please write it. If possible, one example. One example. What is that? Carbon monoxide is combined with it. Then it is formed as a carbon dioxide. Got it? This is the example. Please note down it in your notes. Everyone have the notes or not? All the students who are present to the classes compulsory allot the notebook for it. Got it or not? Everyone must and should compulsory allot one notebook for a chemistry, one notebook for a physics, one notebook for a mathematics. Okay, clear or not? Yes. It will be very useful for your future. These all the topics are contained in your 9th class actually. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now only you have completed the second lesson in a 9th class, not second, 5th lesson in a 9th class. Yes, and it is utilized for your intermediate also. When you go for intermediate, it will become very easy. And once you check these notes, it will be useful for you. Okay, that's why compulsory maintain the notes, whatever the class notes and as well as whatever the hints and provide for solving the questions. Okay, now yes, and somewhat exercises are there. You have to should write it is. Yes. If you have not have the notes at last from today onwards, you maintain notes compulsory and left some pages, and in that pages what you have to write, I will give the instructions to you tomorrow. Okay, yes. Chemical combination and a general form and as well as the example it is. And next one it is one more reaction also there. It is also called a composition. Somewhat a composition. Examples for compositions are given. Yes, and yeah. Let us think it here. When the metals are, this is somewhat a general form here. When the metals are combined with oxygen. Okay, clear or not all the students? When the metals are combined with oxygen, it will be formed as a metal oxides. Yes, this is also one of the very important. Okay, now metals are combined with oxygen. It formed as a what? Metal oxides. It is formed as metal oxides. Got it or not? Yes. What is the metals? You know very well. Number of metals are there. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Iron is a metal. Magnesium is a metal. Aluminum is a metal. Okay, like the metals are combined with oxygen, it will be formed as a what? It will be formed as a metal oxides. Then suppose you have to take a ferrous, or otherwise here in our textbook they given what? A magnesium they given. Magnesium is combined with oxygen. It will be formed as a MgO, general form of this equation it is. Understand all those students? MgO formed. Okay, now 2Mg and as here. Clear or not all those students? Metals are combined with the oxygen. It will be formed as a metal oxide. This is the general form. It is a chemical combination only. Okay, the combination or not? What you understood from this? When one metal is combined with oxygen, it is combined with oxygen. It will be formed as that oxide, that concerned oxide. Suppose you take a ferrous. Okay, yes, it's combined with oxygen. It's formed as a ferrous oxide. That is only called rust. Okay, now that is called rusting. Okay, now this is called what? This is at the time of a crackers. At the time of Diwali cracker, this reaction is going on. Okay, now you are using the magnesium powder in the crackers now. That is a burn, it will be formed as a magnesium oxide. Understood all the students? Yes, that is combined together, it's formed as a yes, magnesium oxide. Understood? Yes, next one. One more example is also there. Non-metals. Okay, clear or not? Non-metal. Non-metals combined with oxygen. It gives rise non-metallic oxides. As carbon is combined with oxygen, it's formed as a carbon dioxide. This is a non-metal actually. Okay, clear or not all the students? Carbon is not a metal, it is a non-metal, non-metallic oxide it is. It is formed as a non-metallic oxide. Clear or not all the students? Yes, and as well as metal and non-metals are combined, what it will be get? It will be used for a salt. Okay, clear or not all the students? Metal and as well as the non-metal are combined together, it formed as a salt. Okay, now metal plus non-metals They produced what? They produced what? Salt here. Yes, regularly whatever we are used. Sodium is a metal. Chlorine is a non-metal. It formed as a sodium chloride. Regularly whatever we are used salt, na, that chemical name of that salt is a what? Sodium chloride. Okay, na? Sodium combined with the chlorine, it formed as a sodium chloride. Okay, this is all are which reactions? Chemical combinations only. Why we written this all, you know? Actually, there is a we have till now 117 elements. They dividing into metals, non-metals, alkogens, halogens. Okay, na, like that. There is a what? It is a dividing into that 117 elements into groups. Yes, metals are not nothing but they contain same property. Yes, they exhibit the same properties. Okay, yes, that's why they call the what actually metals. Okay, now yes, about this thing in higher classes may get for you. Okay, but all the somewhat groups are there. Okay, clear or not? Chlorine, iodine, these all are works are the same manner. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, and this sodium. Okay, now and after the sodium we are taken a calcium. Okay, sodium, potassium, they are what same. They are called first A group elements, second A group element, third A group element. Like that, elements are dividing into some families. That families are combined with oxygen, they behave same manner. Okay, clear or not? When you know the metals are combined with oxygen, every time you may written simply it is the chemical combinations like this. Metals are combined with oxygen, they formed as a metal oxide. Non-metals are combined with oxygen, they formed as a non-metallic oxides. Clear or not? And here metals are combined with the non-metals, it's a formed as a salts. Okay, clear or not? The combination produced with the salt. Okay, these all are chemical combinations and somewhat information you may gather here. The chemical changes are also may observed here. Okay, clear or not? Metal is a combined with oxygen, it will be gives as a what? Yes, metal oxides. Okay, clear or not? This is only about a yes, the metals combinations. Okay, types of combinations. Got it or not? Yes, and write down please. Write down. Note down it. Yes, next. This chemical combination only, somewhat another chemical combinations are given. Yes, as a compound here, the metal oxides are combined with water. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Metal oxides are combined with water. They produce the what? Metallic hydroxide. Okay, they produce what? Metallic hydroxide. Okay, clear or not, all the students? The metals are combined with the water, metal oxides, whatever NGO, it is a combined with the again with the what? Water, it is a produce the metallic hydroxide. How you know? Then we are taken a what? It is a produced the MgO, metallic oxide here, magnesium oxide, water formula is the what? H2O. It gives rise to what? Magnesium hydroxide. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is formed as a magnesium hydroxide. The name of it is the what? hydroxide. Okay, clear or not, all the students? You have in your second lesson acids and bases. This name magnesium hydroxide. Okay, now it will be used for what? You know, it will be used for a milk of magnesium purpose. Okay, now when the constipation, the problem of constipation is there, at that time it will be used as a better to prevent it. Okay, clear or not? Metallic oxide, hydroxide is formed here. Understood or not? Please note it. And next one is as non-metallic oxide is combined with water, it will be produced acid actually. Okay, non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide combined with, okay, now what? Water. It has produced what? Acid. It has produced the acid. Understood or not, all the students? It is produced the acid. These are the very, very important. No need to write every time the chemical equations. Just to keep in your mind these three things. These are totally how many are given? The box items totally 6 box items are enough to know chemical combination reactions. Okay, in this particular level. Okay, there is what we are taking the example. Carbon dioxide is combined with the water. It is a produced one. Yes, carbonic acid. It is carbonic acid. You know very well where it will be there. You know. Okay, now it will be there in a soda water. Okay, clear or not? And as well as in a Sprite, in a thumbs ups, whatever cool drinks you are taken, in that add one second, it contains carbonic acid or carbonic water. Understand all of you? It will be not that much of good for your health. It is a bad for your health. You taken a carbon dioxide and water inside. Okay, by using this whatever the cool drinks you are taken, na? Yes, that is not good for our health. That's why please prevent it. Okay, clear or not? Yes. And carbon dioxide is combined with water. It is produced as a what? Carbonic acid. Understood all of you? Yes. Yes. Please write it. These two are very, very important general forms. These are two. These are the chemical combination reactions. What you understood in every reaction, what happened? The two substances in a reactant side, they formed as a one substance only. Understand all of you? The two substances, one is react with another one, they formed as a one substance. This is a fundamental for a chemical combination. Okay, more than one substances are, one is a react with one another, they formed as a one substance. That reaction is called as chemical combination reaction. That chemical change is called chemical combination reaction. Got it or not? Yes, this is only about a chemical combination. Yes, next. Completed? Any doubts are there? Please raise your hand. Any doubts are there on the students? Please raise your hand. From any branch, geography branch? Please change your names as your branch names. Malwal branch, Ayappa Society branch, Rakel branch. Rakel branch students may appear clear or not? It is appear clear or not? Sound is clear or not? Please give the information to me. All the Rakel branch students or any other coordinator,
sir,
please.
it is clear.
Yeah, madam. Thank you. Sound is clear, madam. Yeah.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Any doubts? Any doubts in this? Yeah, every student must and should you have to know some chemical formulas. Okay, clear or not? Without a chemical formulas, the chemistry is not possible to know. At last, first 20 elements you have to know. Then after you have to know compulsory the chemical formulas, names also. Okay, clear or not? Yes. Yeah. This is only about our today's concept chemical combination. Next we are going to the next one more type of reactions and some general form. Every student must and should you have to know when metal is combined with one oxygen in the form of a chemical combination, metal oxides are formed. Non-metals are combined with oxygen in the form as non-metal oxides. And as well as there is a one metal and non-metal is a combined, there will be formed as a salt. Okay, clear or not? And non-metallic oxides are combined with water, it will formed as a acids. Okay, metallic oxides are combined with acids, it's formed as a hydroxides. Okay, clear or not? Otherwise, hydroxides are nothing but what? Bases only. Okay, clear or not? Like that, there is a what? Chemical combinations are given. Lot of information for us. Okay, now the chemical combination definition is important, and the general form is important, and as well as the somewhat the chemical combination reactions, especially metals and non-metals based. Okay, now and next. May you get doubts, sir? Only metals and non-metals are only formed as a combination? No, not like that. These are examples for us. Okay, next one is a chemical decomposition. Next equation is the chemical decomposition. Yes, chemical decomposition. Yes, opposite to the combination. Okay, opposite to the combination is only called decomposition. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Opposite to the combination is only called what? Decomposition. Yes. Yeah. Here, what is the decomposition? When we take a one chemical compound, when we produce some amount of heat to it, or any other some amount of energy to it. Yes, and it will be changes into two or more substances. Not only two or more substances. It is a called what? Decomposition. Understand all of you? One substance into has formed into two substances. It is a called what? Chemical decomposition. And why it is occurs actually? Why it is occurs? You know, or heat may absorb or heat may emitted. That is only called what? Chemical decomposition. Got it or not? This is only called what? A chemical decomposition. Yes, understood or not, all the students? Yes. And next one, it is a what? Suppose you have to take calcium carbonate gives rise. Yes, calcium oxide plus what? Plus carbon dioxide. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It is a called chemical decomposition. It is the formula as a chemical decomposition. Calcium carbonate is dividing as a two substances as a what? Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Got it or not? When we are heated it, it will be time at that time it will be formed lines. Understand all of you? And this is a called what? This is a called a decomposition reaction. Understand all of you students? And suppose you take a water. Okay, clear or not, all the students? When you are take a water, yes, when we go to the electrolysis process here, H2O is also divided as a hydrogen and as well as the oxygen. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, and it is a called what? It is why it is occurs, you know, when it is occurs, you know, when we are centered electrolysis process, nothing but what electricity is centered to the Okay, water in a particular conditions, it formed as a what? Hydrogen and as well as the oxygen. Okay, clear? What you understood from this one? When we produce some amount of energy, yes, either we given heat or we have taken heat. Either we given electricity or we taken a what? Yes, somewhat energy from it. Okay, at that time they dividing into two substances. That is only called what? Chemical decomposition. Decomposition. Already combined thing is the convert into decomposition. Decomposition nothing but dividing into small parts. Okay, clear or not? That is only called what? Decomposition. Here one substance is dividing into two substances. Okay, na? It is occurs because of what? It is occurs because of, okay, na? Yes, because of what? Energy giving or energy taken from it. Okay, now in the both the cases also it may occur. Okay, clear or not? That is only called what? Chemical decomposition. Understand all of you? It's the same thing for taken for metals, non-metals, and all these things. Okay, clear or not all of you? How it will be dividing into two parts? We are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, yes, very important these things, and decomposition is there, and as well as the displacement is there. Tomorrow we are going to discuss the displacement. Got it? Thank you one and all. Please note this general form, and tomorrow we'll go with somewhat general forms of metal oxides and non-metal oxides, how they decompose into two elements or two chemical compositions. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Bye. Take care.